Hitting 100,000 subscribers on YouTube can feel like a distant dream, but I'm here to tell you it's entirely possible. I've seen it happen time and time again, and today, I'm going to pull back the curtain on the exact formula that works. This isn't about luck or some secret algorithm hack. It's about a deliberate, strategic approach that anyone can follow. The core of this strategy is incredibly simple, yet so many creators get it wrong. It boils down to two key ingredients: creating search-first content, maintaining relentless consistency. You earn a follower, a potential customer, and a true fan. This is the foundation upon which a six-figure subscriber count is built, brick by brick. Throughout this guide, I'm going to break down every single step of this process. We'll cover how to find these searchable topics, what kind of videos to make, and how to structure them for maximum impact. We'll talk about how often you need to post and how to design thumbnails that practically force people to click. Think of this as your blueprint. It's a plan you can print out and stick on your wall. Every action you take on your channel from this day forward should align with this search-first philosophy. It's the slow and steady path, but it's the one that leads to lasting success. So, if you're tired of posting videos into the void and seeing your subscriber count crawl at a snail's pace, you're in the right place. The journey to 100,000 subscribers starts right now with a shift in your mindset. It's not about going viral, it's about being valuable. Let's talk about the single biggest mistake I see new YouTubers make. They see a trending topic, a popular meme, or a viral challenge, and they jump on the bandwagon. They spend hours creating a video, hoping to catch a wave of massive traffic. Sometimes, it even works. They might get a spike of thousands of views overnight, but then, just as quickly, it's over. The trend dies, the views flatline, and their channel goes back to being a ghost town. This is the hamster wheel of chasing trends, and it's an exhausting and unreliable way to grow. Now, let's look at the alternative: creating searchable, evergreen content. Evergreen content is timeless. It addresses a core problem, a fundamental question, or a persistent need that people in your niche will have today, tomorrow, and years from now. Think about titles like How to Set Up a Shopify Store for Beginners or Best Email Marketing Software for Small Business. People were searching for these topics 5 years ago, and they will still be searching for them 5 years from now. Creating a video on a topic like this is like planting a tree, not just picking a flower. When you create a video that targets a specific search term, you are creating a digital asset. This asset works for you 24/7, 365 days a year. It consistently brings in new, highly targeted viewers who are actively looking for the exact information you are providing. These aren't random viewers who stumbled upon your video. They are your ideal audience. A single evergreen video can continue to get hundreds or even thousands of views every single month, long after you've published it. Imagine having a library of 50 or 100 of these assets all working for you at the same time. That is how you build unstoppable momentum. The beauty of this approach is that it compounds over time. While the trend chaser is constantly looking for the next big thing, you are steadily building a foundation of content that reinforces your authority. The YouTube algorithm begins to see your channel as a reliable source for a particular topic, which means it will start recommending your videos more often. Your traffic becomes stable and predictable, making it easier to grow your audience and your affiliate income. Ditch the frantic chase for viral fame and commit to being the most helpful resource you can be. That is the real secret to long-term YouTube success. It's not about being flashy, it's about being helpful. This formula is your roadmap to building an affiliate marketing channel that grows its audience and also generates a meaningful income along the way. Before you even think about hitting the record button, you need to answer one critical question: who are you trying to serve? If your answer is everyone, you're setting yourself up for failure. Trying to appeal to everyone means you will end up connecting with no one. The first step in building a successful affiliate channel is to choose a specific niche. A niche is simply a focused topic area. It's your corner of the internet where you will become the go-to expert. This focus is what allows you to cut through the noise and attract a loyal following. Think of it this way: If you have a toothache, do you go to a general family doctor or a dentist? You go to the specialist. On YouTube, it's the same principle. Viewers are looking for specialists who can solve their specific problems. When your entire channel is dedicated to a single topic, like AI tools for business affiliate marketing for beginners, you immediately signal your expertise. A new viewer who finds one of your videos is much more likely to subscribe because they see that your entire library of content is relevant to their interests. It's an easy decision for them. To answer this, we're going to use a classic marketing concept called the content funnel. This is a simple but incredibly effective way to structure your video strategy. It ensures you're not only attracting new viewers, but also nurturing them towards becoming subscribers and, ultimately, customers for your affiliate offers. The sweet spot: 2 to 3 high-quality videos per week. Your video's thumbnail is its billboard. In the crowded space of YouTube's search results and suggested feeds, you have less than a second to grab someone's attention. A great thumbnail can be the difference between a video that gets thousands of views and one that gets 10. The rules for an effective affiliate marketing thumbnail are simple but crucial. Your primary goal is clarity and impact. Forget about complex artistic designs. We want bold, simple, and instantly understandable visuals that communicate the video's core promise. The first rule is to limit your text. Use no more than 3 to 4 words, and make them big and bold. Think of these words as your headline. They should summarize the main benefit or topic of the video in a powerful way. For example, instead of a tiny font saying, "My complete and honest review of the new Shopify platform," use massive text that just says, "Shopify setup," or $100 per day. This short, punchy text is easy to read even on a small mobile screen and creates immediate intrigue. Always use a font that is thick, clean, and easy to read. Next, focus on visual clarity. Use a high-contrast color scheme. Bright colors like yellow, green, and red against dark backgrounds work wonders. Your main subject should be clear and stand out. If you include a face, which is highly recommended, make it large and expressive. A look of shock, curiosity, or excitement can significantly boost your click-through rate. The background should be clean and uncluttered, perhaps with a simple logo of the product you're reviewing. The key metric here is audience retention, specifically average view duration. The longer people watch, the more YouTube will promote your videos. For searchable, educational affiliate content, aim for 8 to 12 minutes. It's long enough to add real value and build watch time, but short enough to avoid feeling intimidating. Don't add fluff. Every minute must serve a purpose. Keep viewers engaged with a clear, logical structure. Use a simple 4-part formula. First, the hook. First 15 seconds. Confirm the viewer is in the right place and promise the solution they're looking for. Mirror the title for search-based hooks. Example hook. I'm going to show you the step-by-step process for setting up your Shopify store, even if you're a complete beginner. That validates the click and sets expectations. Next, a brief intro, 15 to 45 seconds. Flash your channel branding and introduce yourself quickly. Don't linger. Get to the main content fast. Main content is the bulk, about 6 to 10 minutes. Deliver on the hook with clear steps. Use on-screen text, bullet points, and screen recordings to make it digestible. For reviews, show the product in action. End with a clear CTA in the last 30 seconds. Tell viewers exactly what to do next. First CTA. Subscribe to the channel. Then, like the video. Second CTA. Affiliate. Direct them to your affiliate link. Example CTA. If you want to try Shopify, I have a free trial link at the top of the description. Before you go, tap like, smash subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss the next strategy. One click fuels this channel. Join us now. Bottom of funnel review videos are the cash registers of your affiliate channel. People who search for and watch a product X review have high purchase intent. Your job in these videos is to provide the final piece of information and trust they need to make a decision. It needs to be honest. It needs to be helpful. Show, not just tell. Walk through the UI, perform a key task, and show the end result. Be upfront about pros and cons. who it's for, and who it's not. Your affiliate link should be the very first thing in your video description, labeled clearly, and repeated in a pinned comment. Offer an exclusive bonus, guide, checklist, or discount to boost conversions. Make the path from watching to clicking as frictionless as possible. Print this and follow weekly. Pick your niche. List 10 searchable ideas. Schedule 2-3 uploads. Make 8 12-minute videos with hook, intro, main, call to action. Design bold 3-4 word thumbnails. Put your affiliate link at the top. Track CTR and AVD. Test, roll, and repeat. Hit the like button and subscribe.